The elevator connects you to the next generation of entrepreneurs with Orange.
F4A, standing for Food for All, was founded by Ilana Devillers with the aim to fight food waste on a supermarket level and more. It's a win-win situation. Customers access best before date products at reduced prices, and supermarkets generate more profit.
Our climate is changing and we humans are responsible for it. Just remember the floods in July. We need to act, and the time is now, by cutting our CO2 emissions. Getting great deals and being sustainable sounds paradoxical? Well, not with F4A. Download our free app, browse and shop close to expiry products at discounted price in your neighborhood. And remember, only you can make a change. For a happy wallet and a happy planet.
Download the F4A app on Android or iOS, select your favorite products and add them to your shopping list. Recipes are suggested based on the products you selected, making cooking more fun and less wasteful. Happy wallet, happy planet!
That was The Elevator with the Orange Pro Fiber, a high-performance connection that supports your company's elevation.
Orange.